go.
I mean, listen, you're right. If you're a Canadian citizen, you have the right to donate to political parties. You know, that's not a crime. I've always raised awareness of, and what a lot of people in my circles have sort of been concerned about different extremist movements is Canada seems to be very, very susceptible to foreign interference through
Got mad at me because I took my mess on anyway. Ooh, whoa, beautiful. Almost one.
Something to aspire to be in my life. She has shown me so much.
Man, dude.
Close. So I gave her this card 12 years ago, and Christmas, she pulled this card out and she gave it back to me, and she said, "Don't open it until you get home."
What's going on, dude?
I got home and I opened the card, and to my shock and dismay, it was
this guy just turned right here. An old man just turned in front of the street and hit that vehicle right there. I don't know if he did, but now he's outside the car on the turning lane. What the? And nobody got out. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Nobody got out. You're kidding me. What's up with this guy? You gotta be kidding me. Nobody got out. Look at these guys. We're on an intersection. This guy almost hit this car. It's an old man. He's backing up. You gotta be kidding me. Nobody got out of the car to check. Nothing. That's crazy. We're right here in Torrance. Look at this guy. You kidding me? Just drove out like nothing. Look at the old man. Wow, that is crazy. This is 190th Street, guys, in Hawthorne. 190th and Hawthorne. This guy just went right forward, almost hit that person. That's crazy.
Whenever there's injustice or whenever there's money, you know?
One is the most important rule of all. I am an officer in training, and I expect to be treated the same way I would be with my uniform and vest. Watch your back and get used to this face, kiddo. This has to be a copy pasta. This can't be real.
It's not even the mindset. This is going to go on tires. arm into your living room and she can hit you in the face. It was like a cheap joke. Everyone was like, man, what a dick. Oh, really? Yeah.
They're very different